Welcome to the investors meeting for InCharge. We thank you for being here with us today. InCharge is a small tech startup located in Greenville, South Carolina, producing portable laptop chargers for the busy and constantly on-the-go college student and young professional. We mainly cater to consumers between the ages of 18 and 25 as they make up this particular niche. Our goal is to provide a quality product to the consumers that spend a lot of time in libraries and at coffee shops studying or working on assignments. These consumers are the ones that would be the most interested in this product because they spend much of their time on the go and do not always have access to power outlets. Our portable laptop charger can hold 3 charges, so it is the perfect product to be kept in the customer's bag so that they never have a dead laptop when they don't have access to power or forgot their laptop charger. We also value exemplary customer service to a market that is overrun with companies that you can't depend on who have customer service departments that are automated and unhelpful. We believe that there is a hole in this market that we can fill. While this product does already exist, it is not widely known, especially by our target audience, which is made up of the consumers that would be the most likely to purchase this type of product. The companies that produce this product are large companies that produce many other products and that do not cater to a specific demographic. InCharge, on the other hand, knows this demographic because we are made up of this demographic. We know what people in this stage of their lives are looking for in a product and company, and we can provide it. Our focus is on creating a product that is dependable because there is already so much in these consumers' lives that is undependable. We also place an emphasis on providing our customers with personal customer service that is unparalleled in this industry. With your help, we can reach our target audience and provide a product in a way that we believe should be the standard for all tech companies. Thank you so much for your time.